Hello friends on the internet, it's me, Jan Jan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I did this pinky date night makeup look. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. I like to start with applying lip balm and it can sit there while I get everything else done on my face. Today, I'm mixing the Charlotte Tilbury's Wonder Glow with NARS foundation. The foundation has a lot of coverage and it's pretty matte. By mixing these two together, it brings a more natural glow to the skin. I'm using a flat foundation brush to buff everything in. To set the foundation, I'm using Kat Von D's blotting powder to lock everything down. Since we're doing a pink date night look, I'm reaching out to my backup blush and highlight. Using a fluffy brush for the blush and the side of a flat brush for the highlight. For brows, I'm using Hourglass Brow Pencil. I did this off the camera because the video is going to end up being 30 minutes long if I record that part. Also, to make my brow extra strong, I use the Highlight Brow to highlight and Benefit's Brow Gel. I like to put eye primer on before I contour so it has some time to dry down, and when I apply it, I like to pat it in. For contouring, I'm using ColourPop's powder to contour my nose. I don't usually do my cheeks as it always ends up being kinda dirty, so I just skip that. For an extra pop of highlight, I applied the ColourPop highlighter on the bridge of my nose. This product may have been discontinued, but I really like it. Now for the eyes. I'm using a pink blush from NARS as my base. Using a fluffy brush, apply it all over the lid. Using a more pointy brush, apply this grayish pink color from this palette from Stella to the outer corner of the eyes. I really like this palette as there are a big range of matte colors and it's very easy to work with. Using a smaller brush, apply the brown color closer to your lash line and in the smaller triangle than the grayish pink we just applied. Going back to the first fluffy brush, blend everything out. Using this shimmer red color from the Back Talk palette, apply it in the middle of your lids, focusing on the crease. Here's where you make everything pretty by applying a pop of shine onto the center of your lid. I'm using this gold shimmer from the Smoky Naked palette. I then went back in with a smaller brush really close to my lash line, applied Bubbly from ColourPop for more date night glitter and magic. I wet my brush to make it extra glittery. To highlight, I'm using I Think I Love You palette from ColourPop and also using this darker color for my under eye. I finished my look by applying eyeliner and mascara. I used the primer for my lashes and 2 different mascaras. Let me turn it over to show you guys how it looked before finishing with lipstick. Last but not least, finish with NARS lipstick in color Janet, which is my name, yes. There you have it. If you like my tutorial, please make sure to subscribe for more video like this coming your way. Thanks and see you next time!